Every journey begins with carefully raised white Brahman bulls. Selection starts long before processing begins. Every white Brahman bull is carefully evaluated. Traceability follows every step of production. The selected herd begins its final ranch stage. Even the white horn receives detailed evaluation.
Premium leather starts with exceptional raw material.
The herd advances toward the next stage. Preparation ensures smooth movement into industrial processing. Now the white Brahman bulls begin their journey to the factory. The journey from ranch to factory begins with careful handling.
Every movement is controlled to reduce stress and maintain quality.
Safe transport protects valuable raw materials.
Documentation follows every white Brahman bull.
The supply chain moves from agriculture to industry. Logistics connects ranches with modern factories. The destination begins to emerge on the horizon. The factory stands ready for continuous production. Every shipment enters through strict verification. Now the white Brahman bulls enter the heart of industrial processing.
Industrial precision begins inside this vast processing complex. Every process starts with controlled facility access. Safety and consistency guide every operation. Multiple production systems operate as one connected network. The scale of production becomes immediately apparent. Receiving operations maintain continuous factory flow. Verification continues at every transfer point. Data tracking supports modern industrial efficiency. The production journey advances into the factory core. Now the white Brahman bulls enter the first stage of industrial processing. The first industrial stage prepares materials for precision processing.
Automation begins with organized material flow. Clean raw material supports consistent manufacturing quality. Every surface passes through rigorous preparation. Controlled moisture levels improve processing efficiency. Preparation continues through carefully controlled conditions.
Human expertise complements industrial automation. Precision sorting improves production consistency.
The selected material now advances toward transformation.
The foundation is complete, and transformation is about to begin.
Core processing begins where preparation ends.
Consistency starts with controlled material flow. Separate materials follow specialized production paths. Preparation ensures reliable manufacturing results.
Uniform preparation supports premium quality. Data drives modern industrial precision.
Multiple systems work together without interruption. Transformation progresses through carefully controlled environments. Verification protects quality at every stage.
The next stage will shape raw materials into finished products.
Raw materials now begin their final industrial transformation. Precision shaping creates uniform manufacturing quality. Advanced equipment refines premium materials. Consistency is achieved through controlled processing. Every detail contributes to premium product quality. Refinement enhances manufacturing precision. Controlled environments stabilize material properties. Technology improves consistency across every production run. Verification confirms successful transformation.
Now, advanced automation takes control of production flow.
Automation transforms efficiency into continuous production.
Every movement is monitored in real time.
Precision handling reduces variation across production.
Digital inspection strengthens manufacturing accuracy.
Intelligent routing keeps production flowing efficiently.
Data connects every machine and every process.
Continuous monitoring supports consistent results. Large-scale manufacturing depends on synchronized operations.
Automation delivers materials ready for final refinement. The final appearance of every product is shaped here.
Finishing transforms industrial products into premium goods. Surface refinement enhances premium product value.
Uniform finishing creates a consistent premium appearance.
Precision dimensions are critical to manufacturing excellence. Verification ensures every specification is achieved. Detailing elevates manufacturing into craftsmanship. Final conditioning completes the finishing process.
Technology identifies even the smallest variation.
Only approved products advance to final verification.
Now every product faces its most rigorous examination. Every premium product must prove its quality.
Precision measurements confirm production accuracy.
Surface consistency defines premium manufacturing quality.
Automation strengthens quality assurance procedures.
Scientific testing verifies manufacturing performance.
Data confirms the success of every production stage.
Only certified products advance beyond quality control.
The final review protects product consistency.
Certification marks the completion of quality verification. The final stage prepares products for shipment around the world.
The manufacturing journey now reaches its final stage.
Packaging protects the value created throughout production. Every package is prepared for safe transportation. Traceability continues beyond the factory floor. Automation streamlines large-scale product handling. Secure packaging protects products during distribution.
Finished products await final dispatch.
Logistics prepares the final connection to customers.
The products are ready to leave the factory.
And this is how modern factories produce white horn and luxury white leather manufacturing products from start to finish.
From white Brahman Bull